Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to convert MPH to MS in Microsoft Excel. So guys, you have to type this formula equal sign. As we can see here, miles per hour, and we want to convert in meters per second. So equal sign, then type here convert. Double click on convert. Now select your cell where you have the miles per hour. Now comma. Now MPH, comma, and type this symbol M divide by seconds. So S, this symbol, and closing bracket. Now just you have to press enter. Now select it. Now drag and drop. So this is the way guys you can convert MPH to MS in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.